What if everything you know about mopping floors is actually making them dirtier? What if that bucket and mop you've been using is the exact reason your floors look filthy again within hours? I discovered a method that keeps floors clean for weeks instead of days. And when I tell you what you've been doing wrong this whole time, you're going to be shocked. Stay with me, because your entire approach to floor cleaning is about to change forever. The frustrating cycle we can't escape. You wake up on a Saturday morning, determined to deep clean your house. You fill a bucket with water, add some floor cleaner, grab your mop, and spend the next hour scrubbing every corner. Your back hurts, your arms are tired, but you push through because you want those floors to shine. Finally, you're done. You step back, admire your work, and feel accomplished. But then something frustrating happens. By the very next day, footprints appear. Within 3 days, there's a visible layer of dust. By the end of the week, it looks like you never cleaned at all. And you're standing there thinking, how is this even possible? I just mopped. This is the reality for millions of people. They're trapped in an endless cycle of mopping floors that never stay clean. But here's the truth nobody tells you. The problem isn't how often you clean. The problem is the method itself. You're not actually cleaning your floors. You're spreading dirty water and leaving behind residue that attracts more dirt. Let me explain exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it. Before I reveal the correct method, if you've ever felt this exact frustration, if you've ever wondered why your floors get dirty so quickly, hit that like button right now. And if you want cleaning methods that actually work and save you time, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, because what I'm about to share will genuinely change your life. Let's get into it. The hidden mistake everyone makes. Here's what's happening when you mop the traditional way. You dip your mop in a bucket of water and cleaner. You wipe a section of floor, picking up all the dirt and grime, and then what do? You dip that same dirty mop back into the same bucket. Now that clean water is contaminated. With every stroke, you're just redistributing dirty water across your entire floor. You're not removing dirt, you're moving it around. But it gets worse. Most floor cleaners leave behind a sticky residue. This residue is designed to make your floors look shiny temporarily, but what it actually does is create a magnet for dust and dirt. Within hours, particles in the air start sticking to this film. That's why your floors look dirty again so fast. The method that actually works. So what's the solution? It's called the 2-bucket system, and it's what professionals use. Instead of 1 bucket, you use 2. Bucket 1 contains your cleaning solution. Bucket 2 contains clean rinse water. Here's how it works. Mop a small section, then rinse your mop in the second bucket. Wring it out thoroughly, and only then dip it back into your cleaning solution. This way, your cleaning water stays clean throughout the process. The simple truth. This isn't rocket science. This is basic logic that somehow got lost when the cleaning industry convinced us we needed complicated products and methods. Our grandmothers knew this. They used simple techniques that actually worked. We just forgot. We got distracted by marketing and fancy bottles promising miracles. But the real miracle is understanding that clean floors don't come from expensive products. They come from proper technique. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. And there you have it. The floor cleaning method that actually lasts. 2 buckets instead of 1, and a final rinse to remove all residue. If this video just saved you hours of future cleaning time, show your appreciation by hitting that like button right now. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Click subscribe and turn on notifications, because we're sharing practical, game-changing tips every week. Share this with anyone tired of mopping floors every other day. Drop a comment telling me if you're trying this method today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and enjoy floors that actually stay clean.